Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here in Washington State. Thought I'd bring you a short video, hopefully short, that's the goal at least, on a bag that I've been using for about 3 weeks now. Without further ado, let's check it out. Just give you guys a quick look at it. Alright, so this has been my EDC go bag type deal that's been going with me from vehicle to vehicle. So yeah, this isn't like something I wear on my person or anything like that. We've got our bag, got a couple cool patches here. Check this guy out. I like that one, that's pretty appropriate for the Pacific Northwest. Okay, we've got 3 main pockets to deal with. We got the front pocket here, the very front pocket. Sorry, there we go. We've got the second pocket. And then we've got our main pocket. If you wanted to slide something in this pouch back here, you could. This does open up. And as you can see, this is set up originally to be a bit of a sling style bag, but that's not the configuration I've been using it in. This has got some nice texturing on the back here. I think this is Cordura construction. Really solid construction. Big fat zippers on there. That's what I like to see. Got some molly webbing on the outside here, on the front and on the sides. As you can see, I have a pair of trauma shears, some nitrile gloves, and a tourniquet, a rat tourniquet. On this side I've got the rat Model 1. Really good knife for the price. So, not afraid to lose it, not afraid to abuse it a little bit, and yeah. Moving into the front pocket here, we've got my Gerber MP600 multi-tool. Great multi-tool. Had this one for many years, and it served me well. I've done a dedicated video on that tool. I will link that up here. Hopefully that's, yep. Oh, I also did a dedicated video on the rat Model 1. You guys want to check that video out, I'll leave it up here as well. So, next up in this front pouch here, I've got a lighter. It's just a good thing to have around. And we've got some electrical tape. Another good thing to have around. Moving into the second pouch, we have got some items. First up, we've got CRKT Minimalist Fixed Blade. This is a rad little fixed blade, guys. Next up, we've got flashlight. This is by LED Lenser. Had this forever and it still works really well. Runs on AAA's and it's just keeps going. Probably had it for close to 10 years and it's just built well. So looks like we've got a glow stick. That's always a good secondary source of light. Pen, pencil, and that does it for this front pouch right here. You can see you've got this little storage area, dedicated storage area, and then you've got an area for loose items as well. Moving up to the main pouch here. It's probably the heart and soul of this whole bag, to be honest, and that is my medical kit. This is by Adventure Medical Kits. I've had this thing for a few years as well, and I have stocked it out pretty good. Just got a bunch of stuff in here. You can never have too much of this stuff. Yeah, very useful, good to have on you. Rounding out this little EDC pack is some Paracord. Good to have some 550 on you at all times. Not really at all times, but you know what I mean. This is by Atwood Rope. They make some of the best rope out there, in my opinion, Paracord at least. Made in the USA, right there in, I think they're out of Ohio, if I remember correctly. Not that it really matters, but that does it for this little pack. Like I said, it just goes with me kind of wherever I go. Stays in the car, and it's a rad little pack. And I've gotten quite a bit of use out of it and got it loaded out just the way I want it. So, yeah, that's gonna wrap this thing up. Tried to keep it under 10 minutes. I think I did pretty good. Yeah, thanks for the continued support on the channel. We just hit 200 subscribers. That's huge, for me at least. It took a while, and in my eye, they're hard-earned subscribers. So, yeah, hopefully we keep growing, and I'm just gonna keep putting out content like I have been. So, all right, guys, thanks. See you on the next one.